This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cut-resistant gloves, specifically these Life Protector cut-resistant gloves. And you have two different options, with or without the non-slip grip, and they come in multiple sizes. They all feature a level 5 protection, which is fantastic, and they're available in small, medium, large, or extra large. So no matter the size of hands you need these to go on, there's going to be something that fits for you. They're a high-performance polyethylene with a fiberglass lining. They're both lightweight and flexible, which allows you to complete tasks with ease and comfort while protecting your hands from accidental injuries while cutting, chopping, dicing, or trimming foods. They're great for work in delis, restaurants, butcher shops, or just for use in your home if you're looking to help prevent accidents while working in your kitchen. They're built for heavy use, and they're recommended for hand washing only. So these are a great thing to have on hand, whether you're in a busy kitchen environment or you just want to be safer in your home kitchen.